What up, Digital Slang? iPhone 12 day. The iPhone 12 is here. This is the blue colorway. You guys can see it here. 6.1 inch, the new iPhone. Let's just jump in, check it out, unbox it, and take our first look at the new iPhones. I've always loved the unboxing experience. Of course, we do have the new boxes this year, the new packaging, much smaller this year than any previously released iPhone ever. Again, this is the blue color, and look at how blue that is. Man, that's insane. And of course, we are back to the squared edges. Now, really quick, the rest of the box. No charging brick, of course. Now, lightning to USB Type-C, which is a little weird because we don't have the brick that goes with it. And unless you have an iPhone 11 from last year, you're not going to have the charging brick. So you're going to have to go out and buy one anyway. And then, of course, in here, one Apple sticker this year instead of two. And that's basically it. So the unboxing experience is a little different this year. So on the front here, we do have this white piece of paper, and it just tells you about the buttons on each, the mute switch, the volume up and down, and your power button. Let's take this off. All right, our first look at the iPhone 12. So look, we have the dual cameras on the back. Each one is a 12 megapixel shooter. Each camera on the iPhone 12 will support night mode, so you are going to be able to take really cool pictures at night. We do have the squared edges on here, just like the iPhone 5, the 4, the 4S. You can stand this phone up if you wanted to, which is always a cool thing. It's just fun to do. Now on the side here, you can see you do have the antenna for 5G. This, of course, is your power button and your sleep button. You do have your mute switch like we all know and love on iPhones, your volume up and down, and your SIM tray is on. I can't even see it because of the blue. SIM tray is right here on the bottom. Our stereo speakers. And overall, look, the design I like. The color, this blue color, not a fan. I do not like this blue, the Pacific blue on the 12 Pro Max, which I will be getting in the studio when that does drop. I'm a fan of that color, the matte finish on there. This color, not so much. Let me know what you think of this blue, guys. For me, it just looks childish. I don't like it at all. I'm kind of disappointed that I did get this color, so I will be definitely throwing a case on it. But overall, look, it's going to shoot 4K video, 60 frames per second. We know it's going to shoot fantastic video, the best on any phone. IP68 sweat and water resistant, not waterproof. But overall, just a first look, first impression. I do love the design. It feels amazing holding this phone with the squared off edges. So I'm very happy that they did go back to the squared edges on this phone. Now this phone is also 11% thinner, 15% smaller, and 16% lighter than last year's iPhone 11. So it did a really good job as far as build quality goes. The colors, I think, leave something to be desired. They should have went with the colors from the iPad Airs. The iPad Air colors look really good this year, and I'm not impressed by these colors on this year's phone. Even the product red isn't that deep red that we know when it comes to a product red device. It's kind of a more coral, orangey red than our normal product red. Not a fan of that color either. Disappointed in the colors on the iPhone 12. But that's it, guys. Just a quick look, checking out the new iPhone. I'll be back soon. I'll do a full review after a week or two using this phone. And I look forward to the Pro Max because this phone here will not be my daily driver just because of the blue. I like the size. I love the size, actually. I'm kind of disappointed, actually, that I didn't just go with the 12 Pro and I went with the 12 because not a fan of the color, but the size of the phone is perfect. I think it feels great in the hand. So overall, not bad. The iPhone 12, guys, in blue. Let me know what you think of this blue. I hate it. Not a fan. That's it for the video, guys. I'll be back soon. Peace.